The 27th, 28th, October?
October 28th, we having a movie karaoke night at the Kitchen 7. And we're gonna party. We're gonna have the chicken rolling, the burgers rolling, the tacos, nachos, and everything. So y'all come out to Kitchen 7 on October 28th. It's gonna be out.
Location?
Locations in U City. Y'all look for the flyer. Follow me on Instagram at 7 EAVEN or Kitchen 7 kitchen_.7. And y'all can find the flyers out here or Stylist John. I know he's gonna be posting, so we're gonna keep y'all posted on the location, everything happening.
What they do to pre-order?
You can pre-order. Y'all go on the website kitchen7.com. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Pre-order the food, tickets, everything.
Yes, sir. I can get you fly.
Yes, sir.